Grow your own potatoes, a beginner's guide to a bountiful harvest. Want to enjoy the unbeatable taste of freshly dug, homegrown potatoes? It's easier than you think, even if you're short on space. This video will guide you through every step, from choosing the right seed potatoes to harvesting your delicious crop. Get ready to experience the joy of growing your own food. Let's talk seed potatoes. You'll find varieties like Russet, Yukon Gold, and Red, each with its unique flavor and texture. Seed potatoes aren't seeds, they're actual potatoes specifically grown for planting. Think of them as potato starters. You can find seed potatoes at your local garden center or online retailers. Make sure to buy certified seed potatoes. Certified seed potatoes are guaranteed to be disease-free, ensuring a healthy and productive crop. This is super important. Now let's talk about chitting, or sprouting your seed potatoes before planting. This gives them a head start. Chitting helps your potatoes grow faster and stronger. It's like giving them a little wake-up call before planting. To chit, place your seed potatoes in a cool, bright location for a few weeks. You'll see little sprouts, or eyes, emerge. Look at these seed potatoes. See the little sprouts forming? That's exactly what you want before planting. Time to get those potatoes in the ground. We'll cover both in-ground and container planting methods. Potatoes need plenty of sunshine, so choose a spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Sunshine is key. Well-drained soil is essential for healthy potato growth. Soggy soil can lead to rot and other problems. Before planting, amend your soil with compost or aged manure. This will provide essential nutrients for your potatoes. For in-ground planting, dig trenches about 6 inches deep. Place the seed potatoes in the trench, eyes facing up. Cover the seed potatoes with about 4 inches of soil. As the plants grow, you'll hill them, which we'll cover later. Don't have a garden? No problem. You can grow potatoes in large containers like grow bags or even trash cans. Make sure your container has good drainage. Potatoes don't like sitting in water. Drainage holes are a must. When planting in containers, layer the soil. Place a seed potato on top of the first layer, then cover with more soil. This layering technique is called hilling, and it encourages more potato production along the stem. More potatoes. Space your seed potatoes about 12 inches apart, whether you're planting in the ground or in containers. Give them room to grow. After planting, give your potatoes a good watering. This will help settle the soil and encourage root growth. Now that your potatoes are planted, let's talk about how to care for them. Consistent care is key to a great harvest. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Check the soil moisture regularly, especially during dry spells. Hilling is crucial for potato production. As the plants grow, add soil around the stems, burying the lower leaves. Hilling encourages the plant to produce more potatoes along the buried stem. It's like creating more space for potatoes to grow. To hill, simply scoop soil from around the plant and mound it around the stems. Repeat this process every few weeks. Fertilize your potato plants with a balanced fertilizer or compost tea. This will provide them with the nutrients they need to thrive. Keep an eye out for common pests like potato beetles. You can hand-pick them off or use organic methods like neem oil. Prevent diseases by ensuring good air circulation around your plants and avoiding overwatering. Healthy plants are less susceptible to disease. The moment you've been waiting for, harvesting your homegrown potatoes. Let's dig in. You can harvest new potatoes after the plants have flowered. These are small, tender potatoes with thin skins. For mature potatoes, wait until the foliage dies back. This indicates that the potatoes have reached their full size. Gently dig around the plants with a garden fork, being careful not to damage the potatoes. Treat them with care. Carefully lift the potatoes from the soil. It's like unearthing buried treasure. After harvesting, let the potatoes dry in a cool, dark place for a few days to harden the skin. This is called curing. Proper storage is essential for keeping your potatoes fresh and delicious for months to come. Store your potatoes in a cool, dark, and dry place. A root cellar or basement is ideal. Avoid storing potatoes near apples or onions, as they can cause the potatoes to sprout prematurely. Keep them separate. So there you have it, a complete guide to growing your own potatoes at home. Remember, growing potatoes is easier than you think, and the rewards are well worth the effort. Fresh, homegrown potatoes are simply unbeatable. Now it's your turn. Give it a try and experience the joy of harvesting your own delicious potatoes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.